Hello viewers, I am Wasim from Italy and you are watching Global TV. The first spell of the snowfall has been started in Bolzano. This year, 2021, the snowfall started the first day on 27th November, although the first spell has whitened only the tops of the mountain. However, we expect the snowfall also in the city in the coming day. Viewers, while I am going to share with you the pictures taken on 28 November 2021 of Bolzano, specifically the view of the high mountains, I would like to give you also a brief history of this city, Bolzano. Bolzano is the capital city of the province of South Tyrol in northern Italy, with a population of 10,08,245. Bolzano is also by far the largest city in the South Tyrol and the third largest in the historical Tyrol. The greater metro area has about 250,000 inhabitants and is one of the urban centers within the Alps. Bolzano is the seat of the Free University of Bolzano-Belzig, where lectures and seminars are held in English, German and Italian. The city is also home to the Italian Army's Alpini High Command and serves some of its combat and support units. In 2020 version of the annual ranking of the quality of life in Italian cities, Bolzano was the ranking joint first for the quality of life alongside Bologna. Along with the other Alpine towns in South Tyrol, Bolzano engaged in the Alpine Town of the Year association with the implementation of the Alpine Convention. The convention aims to promote and to achieve sustainable development in the Alpine arc. Consequently, Bolzano was awarded Alpine Town of the Year 2009. Bolzano is considered a bridge between Northern Europe and Southern Europe due to the three spoken languages in South Tyrol: Italian, German and Latin, and the confluence of the Italian and German Austrian culture. Bolzano is a tourist and historical city well known all around Europe. Stay tuned, we are back soon. Till next, bye bye.